Products that will keep your cold plunge looking like new. Also good for a hot tub. I got this little turtle. It helps to absorb scum, and it suction cups to the side of your plunge or your hot tub to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. I also bought this. Is the perfect skimmer. It is a square, it's ultra fine. It does have a little suction cup, so you can just suction it on the side if you want when you put on the lid. Keep it in its place so you never got to wonder where it went, and it keeps it nice and tidy and clean because it's covered. This also comes with the turtle. It's a little scrub pad, so you can scrub the sides of your plunge or your hot tub. Then I also bought this awesome jet cleaning tub. We just did a deep clean on the inside of our tub, and this worked really good to get out some hair and well, stuff that you accumulate over the years. Also, I have this air deco. It is for an air conditioner unit, but I use it to keep my chiller from being in the direct sunlight, and it works super good. Highly recommend protecting your assets and the important parts, and it also just makes it look a little bit nicer.